Hi guys, welcome. This is a virtual machine. I've built the ISO again with the new Arch ISO 56, I think it is. Let's do an update, you'll see it. Oh, no, you can't see it because the Arch ISO is already in there. But this is what it's about. Control C. We have a new package and I've communicated that on Discord. So Discord and Telegram both are actually our social media channels where we post things more than in other social media channels. There is something new on our system, mulvat VPN bin, and that's that particular package caused the change in here. And these days, so it's a combination video. These days we have key server errors, and that's because of the key servers. It's not from ArcoLinux, it's not from ArcoLinux, but there, as I read something about the certificate gone wrong or something like that. Anyway, we get key problems if we want to import a key. Normally you would do something like yay mulvat, and that's this application caused me to change something in your bash RC and your ZSH RC. So it's a VPN application client app for desktop, and it works sublimely, I must say. It's just easy, super easy. So what happened is the keys are not getting in. We can't refresh keys. Sometimes, maybe you've done that in the past, key, and then you type tab, right? This is all you can do with this particular command, sudo pacman key, and you can refresh the keys. If we do that we get all kinds of errors. So it's just waiting time, I guess, till everything is fixed. Error. Now, we've taken care of some of these errors that people get through a file system, etc pacman.d, and in here we've added the three servers that with ports that hopefully will help you. But at this point in time, some of us, at least one on Telegram, got a key in via Ubuntu server, and it says so on the ArcoLinux wiki. Go change and use this server. So it is a conundrum. It's a difficult period for keys. So yesterday we wanted to install a package, and the package also required a key that's not coming from ArcoLinux, but a general key like the ArcoLinux keys or my keys, and we put it on key servers so people can import it. So that's not possible at this particular moment in time. Sorry. So I said, why can't you just skip it? So let me introduce you maybe something new. I don't know if you already know this. Backup skel. What happened now? We've made a copy of everything that's inside etc skel, and we put it in here. That's interesting. It's like going to the hairdresser, is that the word? To cut your hair, and afterwards you take another picture. So now I update. I get these packages in. Now do it again, a backup skel, and this allows me to teach you something. I have now two instances, 2 moments in time from the content of etc skel, and then we compare. You don't want to see what's the same, don't care, but what did Eric change? I've changed and I've added a new alias, paruskip. So we're actually telling the system, if there is a key check and there's a problem with keys and all that, we say flags skip integrity. We had it already for yayskip and Trizen. If you still got it, it's a choice, right? Which AOR helper do you prefer? It's your thing, your machine. But we just provide easy things to be able to install any of these wonderful packages online. There are so many packages online, right? Now at this point in time, I did not reboot, it's not working. So paruskip is not active at this point in time. It just did an update. Our system, bash RC, does not contain that. Control find paru No, let's do yayskip or something. Yayskip. So at this point in time, it's only on the etc skel and of course in our backup folders that were just created, but it's not functional, it's not working because it's not on your bash RC or it's not on your ZSH RC. So I'm just looking only at this one, but of course there is also the ZSH RC. Same thing. How do I get it here? Just by copy pasting, basically. So you could actually copy paste it like this and put it in there. Or, and that's what we do, but do read what skel is. Skel is copy pasting everything. If it's on a clean machine, that's fine. If you have changed all kinds of settings, it will override all of these settings, but it will create also a backup. So this is your backup from the skel. So if you want to see what's different, you can have a look and compare and put things back. So now the bash RC does contain paruskip. Again, it won't work because we did not reboot or log out or something like that, or you did not merge. Merge you can type, or you can type source as well, source, and then this thing, no, this thing I guess, bash RC, like so, also gonna work. And now paruskip does exist, he knows he can do that. And in this case it was mulvat something, VPN beta, let's see. And we can install this and import a key, and we can say yes and it will fail, or we can say no and it will not install it. But anyway, it's gonna take a while, but it will build its package without the keys that are supposed to come in from a key server, which are at this point in time impossible to get. I don't know if this is gonna take long because it's Rust and Go. I think I need both of them. First NVM, Rust, Go. But basically it's building in the cache. Maybe interesting to have a look at. No, come on. Here, cache, paru, clone. Because sometimes we walk away from our computer and then you get this prompt, install that package, and they say, oh, it's gone. I can't put in the prompt, I can't install it anymore. You can easily install it. Just go to yay, paru, clone, and whatever package is set ready, it's called a ZST at the end, I guess. And then you can install it still, ZST. So sudo pacman -u, you know the drill, right? You install things, you do that. So sudo pacman -u. So for every single problem of keys, remember we had already the yayskip thing, we had trizenskip thing, now we have the paruskip thing. And be happy, and your application that you like or love or you want to have, you can just install it like any other day. I think I closed it, but you know, it's gonna just install. All right, that's it from me. Keys, keys, keys. Issue of the day. Cheers.